Hi, welcome to Gomti Infratech. Our motto in land development is to bring joy to people's lives. We've completed several projects over the past few years, each of which is loved by our customers. I'm Aditya, and I want to talk to you about our new ready-to-move-in project, Gomati Iris. This project is designed for a very joyful living and is situated in one of the prime residential locations close to Electronic City. What differentiates us is that this property is constructed meticulously with utmost care to quality, integrity and environmental values, never ignoring the creative element to ensure that we give our customers a complete package. It's easy to say, but hard to deliver. That's why we take every tiny little detail into consideration right from the ideation and planning stage. Gomti Iris is designed with a lot of open spaces within the project itself. No common walls, wide corridors and staircases to fill your home with warm sunshine and fresh air. We have a 400-meter landscaped jogging track, a big swimming pool, large party hall, indoor games, gymnasium, children's playing area and comfortable seating all around the project for elders. We also have 24-hour security, a power backup and 2 separate STP systems to ensure that the quality of life is never compromised in Gomti Iris. The location is definitely an advantage for our residents. Some of the most prominent hospitals, companies, tech parks, shopping centers, schools and colleges are within a 5-kilometer radius. To add to this, the Bomsandra metro station that is already being constructed is just 3 kilometers away from the project, the actual road distance. So generally in residential projects, there's only one STP system. But the problem with that is, if you go for a vacation, you lock your house for about 10-15 days. On your return, you find that in your commode, the water has turned yellow, it smells and at times there are insects. So why we have 2 separate STP systems in Gomti Iris is because the first STP system accumulates the water from your kitchen, your bath water, your cleaning water and so on. This is recycled and it is reused for flushing. The second STP accumulates only the water that is used for your flushing. It is again recycled and sent to filtration chambers where it is used to recharge your groundwater. So Gomti Iris has all this and a lot more and is definitely worth your visit. As conscious builders, we keep the aspirations of our customers in mind, and when you visit us, you will see that we don't compromise on quality while keeping the prices affordable. It's worth a mention that 65% of our residents are first-time home buyers, someone who is looking for their perfect nest, and they have surely felt the bliss that Gomti Iris can add to their lives. For most of us, buying a home is not an overnight decision. We in fact urge you to visit projects in the vicinity, check their offer, quality of construction, attention to detail, pre and post delivery commitments. Do your due diligence and evaluate for yourself what Gomti Iris has to offer to your quality of life. We just don't hold doors for you, but help you make an informed decision for your family. Well, that's how you nurture joy in your lives, and that's how we build at Gomati.